In this video, I'll show you how you can fix security at a glance, empty Windows security. First step is you want to come here and search for run, type in app.wiz.cpl. Come in here, and then what you want to do is look for any antivirus besides the normal Microsoft one. So Windows Defender is the normal one. If you have anything else like Norton Security or McAfee, what you want to do is click on it, right click and uninstall. After that, you can close it down. And then what we want to do is search for Windows Security. Right click and App Settings. In here, try and press reset and see if that fixes the issue. If that still doesn't work, what you can do is come to Services. So search for Services. In here, scroll down until you find W. Just press W. And then you want to make sure that Windows Security Service says running. If it doesn't say running, you're gonna restart your PC, and that might fix it. Now, after that, what I suggest you do is come in here and search for Windows Update, take the latest update, and see if that helps fix the issue. Now, I really hope this helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.